Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google account login problems. Common errors solved step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening any other website or app. If the internet is weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try logging in again. Make sure you are typing the correct email address and confirm there are no extra spaces. Re-enter your password slowly and check if caps lock or a different keyboard language is enabled. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Password and follow the recovery prompts carefully. Use a recovery phone number to receive a verification code and enter it exactly as shown. If you use a recovery email, open it and click the Google verification link or copy the code. When asked, confirm recent passwords you remember to increase your recovery success. If you see wrong password, try your latest password first, then older ones you still remember. If you see couldn't sign you in, restart your phone or computer and try again. On a browser, open an incognito or private window and attempt the login there. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then close and reopen the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that can break Google sign-in. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility login errors. If you are on Android, update Google Play services and the Google app from the Play Store. If you are on iPhone, update the Gmail or Google app from the App Store. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic for correct verification. If you receive a two-step verification prompt, approve it on your trusted device if available. If you use an authenticator app, make sure its time is synced and then try the new code. If you lost your phone, choose backup codes or the try another way option. If you see this account was not found, confirm you did not accidentally create a new account. If you see account disabled, visit Google Account Help and follow the appeal or recovery steps. If Google blocks the sign-in as suspicious, complete the security check and confirm it is you. Change your password after recovery to secure the account and prevent repeated lockouts. Remove unknown devices in Google account settings under security, then sign in again. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger unusual sign-in location errors. Try signing in from another network or device to rule out local device issues. If nothing works, use the official Google account recovery page and follow it to the end without restarting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.